G'day DIYs. We're cutting a circle. Find anything that is about the right size. And if it's your rubber hammer, well, so be it. No, you just sort of, well, I find whatever I have available at the time without me losing time hunting for something. Better plug it in. And we're good to go. This is how you cut a hole with a grinder, 4-inch grinder. I can cut any size I want with a grinder. From the size of a pencil to the size of my blade or bigger. This is how you do it. Cut your front like that, coming from the back. And just keep going round and around until you see daylight. Don't push down, just let the grinder do the work, the weight of the grinder. Don't push. We have daylight. And there we have it. Now if I could find my nippers. I haven't used them in 20 years. They're in my van somewhere. If I had a pair of parrot beak nippers, I'd just chew away at my edge here, but I find it easy just to pick up something that's handy. Because it's back cut like that, you can just nibble away at the front there and you're good to go. Well, there's your round circle. See ya.